Got a gun? Get a lock. Hi, my name is Councilman Curtis Jones Jr. and I'm the chair of Public Safety. Sadly, almost 300 children each year shoot themselves or another person. Approximately 1 in 3 handguns is kept loaded, unlocked, and most children know where their parents keep them. This nationwide epidemic can be stopped with a simple gun lock. Keeping firearms locked, unloaded, and ammunition stored separately helps. It is estimated that 31% of accidental deaths caused by firearms might be prevented with the addition of a child-proof safety lock. This great protective measure can serve also to assist in the reduction of youth suicides, unintentional shootings in our homes. District Attorney, the City Council, and the Sheriff's Office have teamed up to provide free gun locks. Please call my office at 215-686-3416 or Safe Storage Hotline at 215-686-3572 to obtain a free gun lock. Got a gun? Get a lock.